Welcome to the Digital Growth Hack Club, where we help you elevate your business and your bottom line. Here is your host, Jenny Jones.
Hey, this is Jenny Jones. I am your host of the Digital Growth Hacks Club. Hey, listen, had an opportunity to got an email, first of all, from email writer. And again, I wanted to have a quick interview. I had to sit down and say, man, you got to tell me what's going on with the new stuff you guys got going on. So I wanted to invite Peter, who is the founder of Email Writer, back on our show to kind of discuss some of the updates and some of the new things they got going on with their SaaS tool. So again, welcome to the show, Peter. How you doing today?
I'm fine, Jenny. Fine.
Good. So I got this email. It came, I was like, man, what is going on? They're doing some new stuff there. I got to get Peter back on to kind of talk about what they got going on. So some kind of rewrite, something like that. First of all, if this is your first time to the show, please go ahead and like and subscribe. We're always talking about different things. We're always having founders on here. We want to help them grow. We want to actually help our audience grow as well. So we want to create these win-wins for everybody here on the Digital Growth Hacks Club. So kind of take people through what actually is Email Writer. Email Writer is a SaaS tool, but kind of tell us, when people look at Email Writer, what are they trying to do when they go and try to add your service to their tech stack? What are they looking for? What does this tool do?
Okay, thanks for your question. Actually, Email Writer, we are trying to solve a particular problem, which is people trying to create email and then experiencing writer's block. So being a copywriter, having been a copywriter for years, and my partner too, we understand that this could be a stumbling stone block to your business, because we write for businesses sometimes, and then sometimes we just get short of ideas on what to write. And at that point, there is nothing we can do other than maybe to wait for some time or try to make some research and all that. So, but then with Email Writer, you are almost covered, because whatever email that you want to create, whether it is to engage your audience, to sell to them, or to build a rapport with them and stuff like that, it will help you to create those kind of emails. So with Email Writer, you wouldn't experience any form of writer's block, maybe while trying to create email for your business, for clients, for email, any type of email for any purpose. So that's the problem that we are solving.
So you and your founder, or you and a co-partner or a partner, you guys have been writing copy for some time. He says, man, people, and I will admit, I've had times where I sit down and says, man, what do I write here? What should I put here? So so we won't get writer's block. You guys created this tool that actually just gets the writing flowing, right? And what I love about your tool is I can come in and jump in and edit a few things, but at least give me basically a template or a groundwork of what it is we're actually trying to do. Is that correct?
Yeah, sure.
And so you'll probably see either a link above, or I'll put a link in description where I actually did a walkthrough of the tool a little bit deeper. So now, I mean, again, I didn't want to hold you long, but I kind of want to understand. So what were the users telling you that they needed, and what kind of, you guys did some different things to the tool. You added some features. So tell me what's going on with that. What did you guys add?
Okay, yeah. We added some features to Email Writer, and one of the best of them so far is the rewrite feature that we just added. Though it's been in development for a while, I think it's been over 6 to 2 months since we started building it. So, but all this while we've been testing it to be sure that it actually works very well. So this feature allows you to kind of rewrite your email, or paraphrase it, and rephrase. Is that maybe you finish creating your emails and this part looks like something you want to change, or maybe you want to create something very unique just for you, something that no one else is using. That is where the rewrite feature comes in, because it's going to help you to rewrite the emails to fit in with your tone, stuff like that.
So
So that's
it's
how it.
so when you say paraphrase and or rewrite, I can write an email and then I use this feature and it'll do a rewrite of that email. Is that what's going on? Or it'll give me the opportunity to, I can probably write a good intro, but I'll use this feature and it'll clean it up and make it a little bit tighter. Is that what's going on?
Yes, yes, exactly. So after writing and maybe, or you're done creating, you feel like, no, I don't want this part, or I want to change this part. So instead of you as the writer, as the user, maybe trying to like come up with an idea from your head to change that particular sentence or to change a particular place, what you just do is to rewrite it, to use the rewrite feature, copy it and paste in the rewrite box, and then click on rewrite. The email is going to generate a new copy, like a new line of text. That particular one you posted is going to rewrite it and give you a new output. So that's how it works.
So does it so I can read, is it a word limited in it, or is it unlimited, or how does that work? We only get so many
Yes,
cracks
yes,
at it.
limited. It's limited because we're working with GPT-3, so it's limited. Those in our premium plan, they get like 1,000 tokens. So
1,000 documents a month?
Yes, a month. So with the 1,000 tokens, it means they can like generate maybe like 100 for each generation they do. They are being charged 100 tokens. So that means for 1,000 tokens, that will generate up to like 10 times in a month. And then those for expert plan gets 3,000 tokens. And then those for agency plan gets 6,000 tokens.
Oh,
so
I
that's
see.
how every month it's reshuffles.
Okay.
So
yeah,
you finish previous month, next month you get another 6,000 or 3,000 or 1,000, depending on the plan.
All right. Yeah, no, that sounds interesting. I'm actually working on a new funnel myself for one of my programs, and I'm going to be logging into it over the weekend. I'd already planned to log into it. So what I want to do is I'm going to get an opportunity to go in there, test drive it a little bit. What are some of the other users? What have they said about it? I see your shirt there. I love SaaS. Let me get one of those shirts, man. You need to send one of those shirts to California.
All right, man. I'm going to send you one.
I like that. I love SaaS. I love that. So, so what are some of the other, some of your other users? What are they saying about this new welcome edition here with the writer?
Okay, yeah. When we finish, we'll give access to a few persons to like test and see how it works. So of course, they actually gave us their feedback, stating maybe areas that we needed to improve on. And when we finish, we still like ask them to test again, and they are like, wow, they are very happy about it. Those that have tested, that I gave access to, like when we were still building it. And then prior to when we finished, after we've done the whole thing, I still ask them to check again. And they are really happy because for some of them, they feel that they always kind of generate the same email every time, maybe for a particular email type. So, but with this, they are now able to get different variations of any email they create.
Now, so is this an additional cost or something like that, or?
Well, it's an cost for us, but we are not charging the users. It's only those like those that will be coming in for our monthly recurring. Yeah, they're going to be paying monthly. You understand for it, but it's an additional cost on us. But we are not charging our LTD users. We just added it as, and that's why we added some limitations.
Oh, I see what's going on. Okay, so that makes sense. So, so what else do you guys got on as we kind of wrap this up and close this up? What else do you guys got on the horizon? What else do you guys got coming down? I mean, I don't want you to give away any trade secrets. I don't want any of your competitors to hear about it or anything like that. But what do you guys got going on? What else you guys got going?
Okay. just like we've been doing, we are keeping on with bringing in more templates, adding more templates to the software so that we'll cover so many use cases. And yes, we are working on something else I wouldn't want to talk about now.
Okay.
Maybe when we are going to let you know about it.
Okay. So when you get that going, you're ready to release that, I want you to come on back in the show and kind of let us know. So as we wrap up, one of the things that I wanted to know, and I was curious about, I think I'm in your Facebook group as well with users. And I know you sent out did a survey and asked the people what kind of templates that they're looking for, what kind of email templates. So what is right now, as we kind of wrap up, the $1 million question is, what is the most utilized template that you guys have in your, what's the most one that's used? Most everybody uses this template. What would you say that is?
Yeah, one of the most utilized templates is the welcome email.
The welcome email?
Based on our stats. Yes, welcome email based on our stats. And the reason I've come to understand that so many people they don't really know how to maybe onboard their subscribers when they get new leads and all that.
So I would be one of those people. I struggle with that. So that's one. So it's the onboard. Is it the welcome email sequence or it's a welcome onboarding sequence? Is it two different ones or that's the same one?
Oh, yeah, welcome email sequence. That's what we named it. Welcome email. So, but you can still call it onboarding. But what we named it is welcome email sequence. Welcome email.
Okay.
So for each industry, that's what for each industry, and most of the industry they have their welcome email. So what we've noticed that most people are always creating that welcome email, trying to use it to onboard their audience, because we really did justice to that. We wrote it top notch. So most people are using that template.
Nice. Okay. Well, I mean, if you guys are trying to catch Email Writer, there's a link probably in the description somewhere you can find it. And if you love SaaS tools, you can get the shirt. So that you can find. Go ahead.
Yeah, one more thing that I just skipped. We've created an affiliate program as well.
Oh, so, okay. All right. So yes, if you want to get it, you want to become an affiliate for them as well. I think they have that program for you now as well. But you can't talk about other affiliates on my channel, man. What are you doing, man? Those other affiliates need to get their own channel, man.
Sorry, you can cut this part off then.
No, so again, hey, thank you for stopping by the show today. We really do appreciate it. Good to see you're active in our community as well. My own private community that I've put together. It's good to see that you've made your way to the Founders Lounge, which I have most of my founders. They're in there. I'm going to have some investors as well. Some of my investor friends are going to be coming and then getting inside the community as well. So again, any last words from you, Peter, founder of Email Writer? Any last words? Any encouraging words?
For users or for founders or for fellow founders? Anyways,
whatever you want to share. Yeah. Users.
Okay, yeah, for my users and those intending to join, I'm the type of person that's always looking out for supporting people that maybe wants to do business with me and stuff. So for anybody that invests in our tool that gets to buy it, they are going to enjoy it in the long run, because we'll keep doing our best to make sure that it's usable and keep improving it. So that's all I'm going to say. All
right, I love it. Hey, again, this has been Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. We love working with founders, talking to them, and trying to make sure that we're helping you as individuals running your businesses, try to help you improve your bottom line. All right, this has been Jenny Jones. You guys take care. Thanks, Peter, for joining us on the show today. Goodbye for now.
Bye.
Bye for now.
Thank you for joining us here on the Digital Growth Hack Club, where we help you elevate your business and your bottom line. Please do not forget to subscribe and share. And until next time, goodbye for now.